puppy. He's a good girl. Yes, sir, he is. Oh, no. He's a good puppy. Yeah. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to Unloved Garage. Today we're going to try something a little different. We're going to try and make the Corvair look a little nicer. We're going to clean up on one side, and I'm going to show you the difference between before and after. Basically, I'm doing this because my dad thought it would be kind of funny to see what the paint would look like. And of course, he does one little spot.
I can't believe you fell for the oldest trick in the book! What a goof! What's with you, man? Come on!
Basically takes and makes this beautiful spot in the paint. Gets it to come back pretty good. But what I've done now is cleaned it up from what it was before. You can see all the dirt marks and things like that. And that was where the ratchet strap was kind of, we didn't want the hood popping up. Well, trunk. You know, backwards cars and whatnot. But we're gonna see if we can get the paint to come back on this lovely Corvair. And I don't know how well we can do it, but we're gonna find out. Okay, so here's my view on the paint of the car. It's all original paint. I don't think I can make it much worse than it already is. I'm sure I can burn holes in the paint, but you know, I've never tried it before, and we'll see if we can make it pretty or not. So it can't be much worse than what it is, because it's pretty bad, honestly. It's pretty rusty, and I mean, the outside's not too bad, but we'll see if we can shine it up, and all this does is make me feel a little better about the car. Because if I make it shiny and pretty, it'll make me want to work on it more. If that makes any kind of weird sense. I don't know. We'll see. Honestly don't know. Maybe it's too much. Maybe it's not enough. Either way, we're going to find out. I guess we just keep wiping. Next, this car is going to need some rich Corinthian leather. Alright, I don't know what to do. It's starting to become too nice for me. I don't know how to handle this. Wow, it's actually getting a little bit of color back in it. Look at that smooth. I don't know how smooth you can make a rusty good feel. Sorry, trunk. Rusty trunk. Definitely make the Corvair people mad. Although I guess I am one. Weird. A crackling noise is what you call patina. Used to mean you needed to repaint your car. Not anymore. I mean, some people like polished turds. Whatever. Well, this is pretty much it for right now. I do kind of dig that burgundy. I don't know if you're picking up the Corvair neon reflection in the hood. That'd be pretty cool if you were. Oh, you are. Neat. Alright. Let's do a solid before and after.
I'm too shiny.
This is the after. And this is the before. I'm gonna get your surprise reaction to...
Are you filming right now?
Yes, I am.
Oh, crap.
Hey, settle down.
What?
Alright, I'm gonna get your reaction to the front of the car being polished and actually kind of shiny and nice.
Okay.
Okay? So, open your eyes. It's a polished turd. Shiny. Didn't think it would look that nice, huh?
No.
Very shiny. Pretty. Puppy. He's a good girl. Yes, sir, he is. I know. He's a good puppy. Yeah. Oh, no. Oh, I know you want to play now. Oh, I know. Groucho's. Get down. I know there's a crowd in here. There's not normal. Okay. All right. Let's go back in the house.